A peaceful mind is the ultimate destination of a spiritual journey. Peace of mind is the ultimate wealth. Calmness is the secret weapon of a peaceful mind. Peace of mind is the key to unlocking your potential. Peaceful mind radiates tranquility and attracts positivity. A peaceful mind can conquer any storm. Peace of mind is a precious gem that can't be bought with wealth. A peaceful mind is a sanctuary for happiness to flourish. A peaceful mind knows no boundaries. A tranquil mind is the source of infinite creativity. Peace of mind is the elixir of life. A peaceful mind is a magnet for blessings. Inner peace is the key to outer harmony. A peaceful mind is a stronghold in times of adversity. A peaceful mind is the greatest gift you can give yourself. In stillness, the power of a peaceful mind awakens. True strength lies in the serenity of a peaceful mind. A peaceful mind is the ultimate destination of a wandering soul. A peaceful mind is a gateway to happiness. A peaceful mind is a shield against negativity. Peaceful mind is the birthplace of joy. A tranquil mind is a fountain of wisdom. True freedom is attained through a peaceful mind. Peace of mind is the essence of true happiness. Peace of mind is a bridge to inner bliss. A peaceful mind is the foundation of a fulfilled life. A tranquil mind is a reservoir of strength. Peace of mind is a beacon in the darkness. Stillness is the language of a peaceful mind. Peace of mind is a catalyst for success. Peace of mind is the true wealth of the soul. A peaceful mind is a conductor of positive energy. Peace of mind is the melody of the heart. A peaceful mind is lighthouse in the fog of uncertainty. A tranquil mind sees the beauty in every moment. A tranquil mind whispers the language of love. A peaceful mind is a well-whispering of gratitude. This is the power of a peaceful mind.